Yeah, so quickly, when you launch your KineMaster app, this is the first interface you will see. So you fast forward, you go ahead to create your new project, to add a project. So you click on the plus sign in the middle, the icon with the plus sign in the middle. So you click on it. It will take you to select the aspect ratio of the project, like how you want the video to appear, to look like. But by default, YouTube videos goes with the aspect 16:9. We have 9:16 by default. That's for TikTok applications, and we also have 1:1. That is by Facebook upload and WhatsApp status upload. So I'll quickly go for the video I want to demonstrate is a video status distance. So a WhatsApp status video. So I will go by the 1:1 aspect ratio. Then you quickly go through your media to select the video. So for example, I have chosen this video. So you click on the mark sign here on top, and it will add it to your KineMaster app. So our video is added, so you can play it here to see how your video looks like, after that you then proceed to so on the right you see some tools there. Let's see what they do. We have the layer tool. When you click on the layer tool, what it does is that you can add another video or picture so that it will appear on the surface of the original project that you have added. So for example, I'll go to media, then select an image, like an image, for example this image. So it is on the video, so it is layer so that it will appear on the surface of the original project. So let me delete it. And then the layer again, we have effects. The basic effect is this one, where you can make your video looks kinder blur if you want it to do so. For example, if you want to cover a particular aspect of video that you wouldn't want people to see, then you can use this effect, Gaussian blur. Let me delete it. Then we also have the same layer. We have overlay. We have the classic stickers, the stickers that you would like to add on your video. They are here. We also have text. So if you want to add a text on your video, then this is how you add it. You go to layer and then you add your text. Let me delete it. And you also have handwriting. If you want to basically write something on your video, then this is what you will use. Let me delete it. Then we have the media. So you click on media. If you want to add a new project or another video or picture in your project, so you go to media, then you select a newer video. For example, I like to add this video to my project. Then I'll just I have added another video into my project. So this is basically how it looks like. So you go to media, then you add another project to your original project. So let me delete it. Then you have audio, where you would like to add audio clips like music or sound into your video project. So you go to your gallery and then you choose any sound or music that you would like to add to your video project. Then you have voice. So if you don't want to add an audio from outside, but you like to make a recording of something and add to your video clip, so you go in for so let's quickly go to the tools on the left of our KineMaster application. So we have the first tool to be the tool that you will use to go to the last aspect of your project. So if you click on this tool, to take you to the last aspect of your project where you can quickly add a new project if you want to do that. That is, you go to media and add your new project, and then by this tool your video will appear beneath, so you can access and see it clearly. And we also have this other editing that you just go and make some adjustments when it comes to the volume and how you would like the editing to appear. Then we also have this capture. So when you want to capture a particular aspect of your video, you capture it as an image, so you click on capture. So you have various options. You have like capture and save. If you want to capture and save it in your gallery, you have capture and add as clip. So you want to capture a particular image of your video and then add it as a clip, you also have that one there. And then we have capture and add as layer. So let's try them and see. So for example, I want to capture this aspect of the video, so I'll click on it, then capture and save. It has taken the screenshot of this particular point in the video and it is saved in my gallery. So if I should click capture and add as clip, it will capture it and then add it as a clip. You see the thing, it is here as a clip. So let me delete it, then capture and add as layer. So if I should click on that, it will capture and add this where I have captured as a layer, so it will be on the surface of my original project. So let me delete that. And with this reverse sign, it is used to undo an application that you a project or an effect that you have added on your project. So if you want to undo that effect, you click on this arrow sign, so it will undo the effect. So basically, these are the tools on the KineMaster app that you would like to familiarize ourselves with. Then most important part of the editing is that when you have your video edit, like your video project in your KineMaster app, what you have just done is just the overview of the tools and what they are used for. The original thing is yet to be done. So if you want to make the edit of your video, what you do is you click on the video, you just press on the project down here. So when you click on it, the various options will come. Like the first one, or the one that looks like scissors, is what we call the cut. The cut tool, where you use to trim your video. To cut your video. If you want to cut any aspect of your video that you wouldn't want it to display, you use the split tool or the trim tool, and then you cut. For example, if you want to trim to the left, then let me undo that. So and for example, this is also used to make a zoom. Like you want to zoom for your video to cover the full screen of your KineMaster application. So you use the zoom option. That is what is in the middle. So you click on the clip again. This is volume. So if you want to regulate the volume of your project, you use the volume tool. Then you click on it again. You have clip graphics. So when you go, you have various clip graphics that you would like to add to your video. So this is the preview of how it will look like if you add any click graphics. So they are there. You go and choose the one you want to go for. So let me undo it. And we also have speed. So if you want to regulate, if you want your video to move slowly, you radiate the speed, so you can make it slower, you can increase the speed, and you can make your video be in a slower motion. So that is basically what the speed does. So you also have the reverse. So if you want to make a reverse of an aspect of a particular part of your video, you use what you call the reverse tool. We also have rotate and mirroring. Rotate, so if you want your video to rotate, for example, you want it to look like this, so you use the rotate tool. So we also have color filter. You can also make use of them. We have adjustment. If you want to increase the brightness of your video, you have the contrast, we have the saturation, so your video could look nice. You have volume and other stuff. So this is basically the overview of the KINEMASTer application. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this ghost effect on KINEMASTer. Please stay tuned, and God bless you. Bye.